Welcome back to DC Reviews, and what do we have here today? We have the Logitech G Pro mechanical keyboard, kind of pairing it up with the Logitech G Pro wireless gaming mouse. And what I think of this keyboard? Well, I like it. It's been pretty good. Let's go over some of the design and how it looks. So you have a 10 keyless design here, and it has a removable cable. So this is kind of a gaming keyboard. Some people take it on tournaments or to other people's houses. It's good to have a removable cord. If the cord breaks, you can easily replace it. But the base of this keyboard is plastic. It also has feet on the back, so you can have different levels of tilt adjustment. So there's rubber feet here, and then the tilt, there's 3 levels. A low tilt, a high tilt, and no tilt. So what else is good about this keyboard? It's got the Rgb Tactile Switches. They're supposed to be fast, quiet, bright, meaning let a lot of RGB light come through. I do find they are a little bit tactile. It's slightly different than a cherry switch. I can pull one off so you take a look. There we go. There we go. Oh, there we go. Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, but you got the switch right there. It's kind of like a square, and it has a hole in the middle for the RGB to be inside. So that's a pretty cool design. Put this back. Whoops. There it goes. Alright, so what else? Has a light sync RGB, so you can sync up the mouse and the keyboard to have matching lights. So if I push over the Logitech G Pro wireless mouse, you can see the colors are changing at the same time, which is cool. You can also do it with other Logitech hardware, like headphones. They have those speakers that light up now. You can do with that as well. So as far as comparing these switches to, say, the cherry browns, these seem to have one with the cherry brown right here. Similar, but the browns offer, they probably need a little bit more force to press, and they're a little bit more loud. So these are quieter, so that's a benefit. And then I have over here the cherry, actually the Kahlua Silver Speed. These switches are crazy smooth, super light. For gaming, I'm definitely going with the Silver Speeds, but the Logitech G Pro is a good switch overall. I like the design of the RGB lighting in the middle, so that comes through and you see it. I think that's about it on this keyboard. If you guys have anything else you want me to review, please comment below. Thank you.